Okay, here we go. So what is RUMP? RUMP is the Rumbling Universal Mayhem plugin that Renpona just put out about an hour and a half ago on my Discord. I had been bothering them to put this out for a really long time, and then I started working on a VTuber ad that obviously kind of works now. My hand tracking is still weird, my paws are the wrong color, and my mouth doesn't move enough yet, but we're getting there. So what does RUMP do? So the awesome thing about Buttplug is that we've had all sorts of people build like mods for their games. There is Buttplug mods for games like Hollow Knight and Stardew Valley and things like that. And the cool thing about mods for Buttplug is that they're all event based. So instead of like trying to actually make you any better at playing the game, what mods that for our devices do is just go, okay, some event happened in the game. What can we do with that? Can we trigger a vibration? Can we trigger stroking? Rotation, something like that. So, like in Stardew Valley, for instance, if you harvest a vegetable, you can make your vibrator vibrate. If you ride the horse, you can questionably make your vibrator vibrate, so on and so forth. So, those are all well and good, but Renpona kind of had this idea of what if you don't hook a vibrator to it? There is the ability to basically simulate a device in. So you can hook up a piece of software and make it look like hardware. But it can just be sending data to pretty much anywhere at once. And that's what Renpona figured out. This is Renpona's thread about this on Twitter. So what would normally be vibrations, though, is now becoming VTuber animations, as you can see over in the corner here. The cool part about this is it all works with all of the mods we already have. Yeah, so this is the Overwatch 2 one. That, I love that. That animation's so fun. So anyways, yeah, this is using screen scraping to figure out what's going on in Overwatch 2. The events in Overwatch 2 are being picked up by playful plugins, which then sends them to my software interface or Buttplug, and then sends them over to RUMP. So anyways, let's set all this up on stream and see how easy it is and what all this turns out like. Let's go ahead and download the software. Start it. So here we go. This is RUMP. Free on itch. I will go ahead, post the URL in chat just in case anyone's interested in it. But it's at renpona.itch.io. So it comes with its own version of interface. You don't have to download my Interface Central software to use this. You can if you want, but it is a little bit more complicated. If you do want to use this alongside toys, that is an option though. And there's some really good documentation. This actually, Renpona wrote a whole bunch of docs that actually show you how to go through this and use everything. Now it is looking for a VTuber system. So I am using Warudo. Go over here to the documentation, and we need to create a blueprint with a WebSocket action on it. So blueprint, WebSocket, drag that over here. And then I guess, so I'm going to try this with the Peglin mod that I wrote. I think that'll be really interesting. So I don't really know what this app can do, though. Like, I have not actually practiced anything with this. I just set it up yesterday and was like, oh, it tracks my face. Cool. I don't know how to do anything yet. So I'm just going to try to have it change an expression. So let's go to toggle character expression. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so we go back here. I need to set up the action called vibrate and change our type to integer, and then make a little arrow line go from point A to point B. Say it's for me, and let's say joyful. So what's going to happen is I'm going to start up Peggle, and my mod makes a vibrator vibrate whenever you actually like hit a peg. So it should make me show the joy expression whenever a ball hits a peg. And the interesting part is going to be, and the great part about Peggle is that there is a Peggle game happening when you start the game. The main menu of Peggle is a Peggle game itself, so I don't even have to start a game. It just starts when I start the game. It was great for testing the mod. I've got this set up. Let me pull up RUMP again and move this over to Warudo and hit connect. We are connected. That is awesome. Okay, so we are ready to go. Okay. We came up, we connected, we're good. We're starting Peglin. Here we go. Here we go. What the fuck? What the, oh god. No, what? No. No. Why is it doing that? Oh god. It looks like it's resetting my blend shapes whenever it hits oh no. Oh, that is bad. Oh god. Oh, this is like weird forced TF for Peglin. Ah. Okay, let me change the expression. Does this get any better if I... Oh, no, it does not. Oh, God. Why does it keep turning me into a weird, like, huge dog with gigantic... I think my expression animations are borked. I didn't actually try them before I did this. Oh, no. Oh, God. Well, okay, so if anyone ever wanted to turn Peglin into a weird forced TF game, congratulations, here you go. This is weird and scary. I feel slightly violated. But RUMP works. It's doing what it's supposed. RUMP technically works. Renpona software did exactly what it's supposed to, and I have no idea what I am doing as a VTuber. Okay, no, we're gonna make this as... I could try a different Warudo node or something, but I want to make this as weird as possible. I just want to live in the weirdness here. Because there's, like... Yeah, that's just... Oh god. Oh god. Oh... Okay. Yeah, that's completely fine. Wow. Like, seriously, I did not expect to be, like, demoing a product for the transformation community tonight, but I feel like I am making new strides in bridging communities that I have not normally been a part of.